In this tutorial, you will learn how to pause worksheet protection in Excel 365 so you can temporarily edit cells. So this feature allows you to make changes without fully removing the protection settings. Let's go through the steps. For example, in this row marks worksheet, the sheet is already protected. Normally, you would go to the Manage Protection to remove the protection, but that is not necessary in this case. So instead, when you right-click on the Row Marks Worksheet tab at the bottom of the screen, from the option you have to select Pause Protection. You will be prompted to enter the password and then click OK. So once the protection is paused, you can now edit any cells in the worksheet. Enter or update your data as needed. After you finish editing, you can restore the protection by right-clicking the mouse on the Worksheet tab again and then select Resume Protection. When you close the workbook, the worksheet protection will also automatically be activated. This feature allows you to safely make temporary edits without permanently removing the protection. That's how you pause worksheet protection in Excel 365. Thank you for watching.